What's going on, guys? How y'all doing today? It's been a while. And well, I'm sure maybe some of you guys are wondering why I haven't uploaded in a long time. And well, one of the reasons is this. Yep. Smacked it right into the back of a Ford F-150. Not good. But I do have the footage that I'll play for you guys, and before you see it, just so you know, it was ruled that it was my fault and everything got paid for. So his truck got fixed within the week after the accident. So, but I'll go ahead and play that for you guys. So here it is. So there was the footage, guys. I don't know, from my point of view, it looked like he just stopped late at the yellow light. And I did end up talking to the guy afterwards, and he said he seen the camera that was up above the traffic light, so that was why he stopped. So go figure. Fords have good brakes, apparently. But anyway, I'll show you a little bit more of the damages here. I think the main problem is going to be that this right here got crushed. That is going to be the computer that controls everything in the car. So, don't know how quite to find that. So, don't know if this thing's ever going to be back on the road again, but with all bad comes a little bit of good out of it, right? So, give me a couple seconds and I'll show you what good came out of this. And here is the good that came out of it. 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Bought this thing myself, actually. So about $1,900. I think it's a pretty good deal. It's got four-wheel drive in it, and it works. Four-wheel drive works in it. So, and what's crazy, those are the exact same tires that I have on the Jeep up there. So, it has the tires to do the job, and it has the capability in four-wheel drive. So, that's a plus, an upgrade. And it has heated seats. So, you don't know how much those come in handy until you actually have them and you try them out. So, that's going to do it for this video, guys.